What's going on, guys? Justin Fuller, ex-Honda salesman here. Today, I'm in front of a 2026 Honda CR-V. So the guys at 3W who make floor mats asked me if I would review their floor mats, and I said, sure, why not? Let's take a look at them. So I wanted to talk to you about a couple things. The first is typically, Hondas come with carpeted floor mats, which is cool, and that works fine, but a lot of us instantly start shopping for some all-season mats after that. And there's typically three guys that you're gonna shop with. One would be Amazon, but two, you go, are they gonna fit in the car correctly? Are they gonna work? Two would be WeatherTech, which is known for making pretty good stuff, but they're kind of expensive. And the third is the OEM, which is gonna fit the car perfectly, but typically they're probably gonna be the most expensive. And let's be honest, they're all rubber laser cut floor mats, so what's the difference? Today, I've got a surprise for you. So if you're an unboxing guy or girl, I got bad news for you. I already pulled them out and I already put them in the car because I wanted to check them out first, right? But I did want to show you what came in the box along with them. Of course, the mats themselves are just wrapped in plastic and then put in the box, typically how you would buy them. But they came with a lot of other cool things. A lot of different extra pieces that you get inside of this guy, a couple air fresheners, obviously some basic stuff to let you know, hey, if they're a little bit, folded. What? When they come from you can put them out in the sun, heat them up, let them warm up, and they'll form to fit your vehicle. Of course, like a warning notice, don't eat them, you're not a child. I'm just a kid. And then came with some cool graphics and some stuff related to their other products and things that they have. So I'll start on the one that you'll probably see the most, and that'd be your driver's side. So when you come in here, it's not a standard just all-season floor mat. This is super cool. I had never seen this before. It has a carpeted floor mat on top of it. And what's cool about this is that you can just pop it off. So, depending on what time of year it is, right, you may want the carpet because it's quieter, but you say, hey, it's really rainy day or crappy, let me pop them off and wear them like this, and then I can throw them out, and then I can put these guys back in after I clean them off, right, and have a dry floorboard. Or if you snowboard, or if you get in there wet, right, you can kind of let that and then put this back on top and have a dry spot. That's super cool. I can think of like 30 different ways that I would use this and take advantage of it, because in mine, it's like you have to pull them out, you have to wash them off, and then you have to dry them off and then put them back in. And if you ever get gravel or anything in them, it rolls around and you can hear it in the car. This is kind of a hybrid system that I had never seen before. So this is really cool. So you'll see the same thing on the passenger side, right? I can pop these guys off and just use the classic all-season format, or I can pop these back into place and the carpet is in there and it sits on top of it and it's locked in, right? A lot of people put these in and then throw the carpet on top, but then it slides all around and things like that. This is really cool because it keeps it locked in place, but you get both essentially for the price of one. I got two. Per their documents, I was just reading through this, it comes with a 45-day money-back guarantee as well. So if you start to put them in your car and they don't fit quite how you want them to, you could return them. I dropped them all in, and I mean, this literally took me 1 minute to install, and they'll fit perfectly. I was kind of surprised. I thought I'd at least have to put them out in the sun and kind of lay them out, flatten them out a little bit. Nope, right out of the box and into the vehicle. Now, inside of the rear of the vehicle, same thing, right? They've given you that hybrid setup that you can snap on and snap off. So you have it at every single seat. This is such a cool idea, and I can't believe I haven't seen anybody do this yet. Now, in the back and up in the front, I don't know if you were paying attention, but the fit is laser cut. These fit perfectly. When I come around and look at all of the edges, I've got the lay over the top, it lays flat, I have the avoidance of the wire right here. I mean, it's a good fit. Now, to add to that, not only do they provide you essentially two sets of floor mats, if we're being honest, right, in their standard box right here, that's what you'll see right here, but they also provide a setup that's got a floor mat in the back as well. So this one doesn't have the carpet that lays on top of it, but typically that's not what you're looking for back here. You're looking for something to prevent things from sliding around, and that's exactly what this is. And when I get back here, fits good, it's nice, it's perfect along all the edges. Obviously, I can pull it up, throw it out if I need to, wash it off, and throw it back in there. Now, guys, as you probably already know, agreeing to do a review on a floor mat is sometimes like, do I really want to do that? Like, I think people kind of understand the basics of floor mats. What could honestly be new? But today, I can honestly say I was surprised in one of the best kind of ways. I, in the past, have bought them for several vehicles and been asked to review them, and it's just typically laser cut, the same kind of rubber or plastic that everybody uses. Not really much different, but these guys are doing something. I ain't mad at this. Cause I ain't mad at you, man. Having a carpeted floor mat that goes in there that snaps into place, that you can take out, put back in, that's a really cool idea, because then you could take the carpeted floor mats that come in the vehicle and just save them, right? If those go bad, or you could use those first if you wanted, and then put these in. It kind of gives you options, right? The fact that it comes with both is really cool. And I can think of a million different examples where I might be like, hey, we're going to the beach today. Let's pull the carpet out, right? Or put it in the very back. We know that we're gonna get sand in there. After we get the sand in there, we can dump all the sand out, then put these back in, put these guys back in, snap them in, and then it'll be like clean, fresh car mats, right? If you were in a rush and wanted to make sure the car looked nice and clean, you could put the floor mats on top if you didn't have time to wash them all out. And that way, somebody who's getting your car that you may want to look nice for, if it's a date or something.
It's 7 o'clock on the dot.
I hadn't seen something like this before, and I can honestly say, I think it's worth the money. I would completely invest in something like this. So if you're interested in these products, I hope you'll do me a couple favors. I'll throw a link down in the description on ways that you can buy them and ways that you can save money, of course. Feel free to take advantage of that. Leave a comment if you got questions about them. I'd be more than happy to answer them. Pleasantly surprised with these. I think they're a really cool idea, and they're doing something a little bit different that not everybody else is doing. And I don't know why. Nobody has thought of this first, but kudos to 3W. So leave a comment, let me know what you think of these. Do you like the hybrid idea to be able to snap them in, snap them out, have carpeted and essentially all-season floor mats together, right? Kind of cool idea that you could have a hybrid setup going on, right? I could have carpet on this side, the non-carpet on that side, right? Or maybe my dog's in the back and I don't want the carpet there, right? A lot of different cool things that you could do with these. So leave a comment, let me know what you think. I hope you subscribe to the channel so when I produce content like this, you'll receive it. And any of the other products that I've reviewed, so feel free to check out some of those. I'll have them at the end of the video so you can see some other cool products that I've reviewed. If this is something you think is cool, let your friends know. Maybe you got some friends that are shopping for a vehicle, or maybe you have some friends that need some all-season floor mats. Check to see if these will fit in their vehicle. Obviously, they'll fit in the 2023 to 2026 CRV, as we saw today. I'm going to hedge my bets and probably say that these guys make pretty darn good floor mats for a lot of other vehicles. So feel free to check them out. I'll leave my link in the description. Like, comment, subscribe, all the things. Later, guys!